Hello friends, welcome to Data Science Lovers. In this video of Pandas playlist, we will see what is head function and what is tail function. So first of all, we will import our Pandas library. Import Pandas as PD. Suppose we have a data set, data equal to pd.read. Okay, so this is our data set. Here it is showing that there are 8784 rows and 8 columns in this data frame. Now, if we talk about the head function is used to show the top 5 records of our data frame. We have to write our data frame name, data here dot head function. When we will run this, it will show only top 5 records of this data frame. Here, these are the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and total 5 rows, and all columns will be shown. So I think this is the simplest command in our Python Pandas library, the head function and the tail function. Suppose we want to see only top 2 records, then I can copy this and we can pass 2 here. When we will pass 2 here and run this, then it will show only top 2 records. Similarly, we can see top 50 records like this. We will pass 50 here and it will show top 50 records of our data frame. So this is how we can use the head function. You can put any number here of your choice, but by default, if there is no integer or no count here, then it will show top 5 records only. Similarly, we can use the tail function on our data frame, and our syntax will be our data frame name dot tail and function. When we will run this, it will show last, or you can say bottom 5 records only of our data frame, as you can see here. These are the last 5 indexes of our data frame and the last 5 rows of the data set. Here also we can put any number in our tail function. Suppose we want to see only last 2 rows, then we can simply put 2 here. It will show only last 2 records. Okay, similarly we can put 30 here. It will show last 30 records only using the tail function. Here we have used the head function and tail function on our data frame. We can use these functions on a single column as well. Let's first have a look at our data frame. This is our data frame. Suppose I want to use this date time function only. Okay, so as you all know how to consider a column, our data frame name, and here on this column, when I will use the head function, it will show only top 5 records of this column. Similarly, we can use the tail function also on any single column. Suppose our data frame name, and I am using this column weather dot tail function. It will show last 5 values of this column. Okay, like this. So this function is very simple. In our next tutorial video, we will learn about the as type function in Python Pandas library. Friends, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Pandas and Python and machine learning videos and projects.